on behalf of our Globe Team 2B. First of all, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to the 7th day of our CLT training program at RIE Banglore. And with your blessings and permission, let me invite my team members who will conduct the assembly for today. I welcome our team members, Ms. Adira Badran, Mr. Divyan, Angela Paul Madam, Angela Madam, Firoza, Madam Sir, Disney Madam, and Adira Madam. Was the founder of Ford Motor Vehicle Company, who said, "Those who stop learning is old, regardless of their actual age. Those who continue studying is still young." Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to perform the assembly such a August morning. You know, every day we can begin with a prayer. If we devote our time, a few time towards the Almighty, we will get a sort of inspiration and encouragement, which can help us to boost our mind and soul, which also will contribute to a concentration. So, I invite, with all respect, Ms. Adira Badran to take our mind and soul to the Almighty, where we can feel a world where there is no fragments. The world has not been fragmented by the narrow domestic war. Please, Ms. Adira.
Hello, good morning, friends. I'm Adira Bhadran, Kerala. This is a Kirtanam, that means Sankirtanam bar, the great poet, Varnasha. ചന്തമേറിയ പൂവിലും ശബളാഭമാം ശലഭത്തിലും സന്തതം കരതാരിന്നൊരു ചിത്രചാതുരി കാട്ടി ഹന്തചാരു കടാക്ഷമാലകൾ ആർക്കരശ്മിയിൽ മീട്ടിയും ചിന്തയാമണി മന്ദിരത്തിൽ വിളങ്ങുമീശനെ വാഴ്ത്തുവിൻ ചിന്തയാമണി മന്ദിരത്തിൽ വിളങ്ങുമീശനെ വാഴ്ത്തുവിൻ ചിന്തയാമണി മന്ദിരത്തിൽ വിളങ്ങുമീശനെ വാഴ്ത്തുവിൻ.
The realm of words where we were in touch with the Almighty. Thank you. You know, daily, basically, we need a dose of encouragement and rejuvenation to boost up ourselves. Having a thought in our mind is something to be actually refreshed. I invite Mr. Divyan, who is going to perform the thought of the day, and I'm sure that he can take our mind and soul to a world of philosophy. Please.
Good morning.
I'm Divyan Rajan from Palakkad district, Kerala. Let me share a thought. Success is a journey, it's not a destination. From our childhood, from our infancy, we say the first word, Amma, you are success. And we stand alone and we walk alone. All these are successful things. Here, in front of you, I'm standing. I think it's a successful moment for a successful milestone in my life. And it's not an end. Miles to go before I sleep.
Thank you. Next, people like us, so eager and enthusiastic to know the happenings around the world. World is changing day by day, even minutes by minutes. So, as teachers, we have to know the movement of the world. I invite, with all honor and pleasure, Jaya Paul Madam, to take us to the happenings around the globe.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all. I'm Jaya Paul from Ernakulam, Kerala. Welcome to the news desk. Today's news headlines: more Gazans flee as Israeli troops battle in Gaza City. Delhi to induce artificial rain to curb air pollution. Bhavana and Kuldeep hog the limelight. Jidin, Gurleen and Abhi also delight with record efforts. ഗവർണർക്കെതിരെ പ്രത്യേക അനുമതി ഹർജി നിയമ പോരാട്ടം കടുപ്പിച്ച് കേരളം. ചന്ദ്രന ദക്ഷിണ ധ്രുവದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು. Now news in details. Thousands of Palestinians are fleeing south on foot with only what they can carry after running out of food and water. Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai on Wednesday announced that the national capital would be attempting to induce artificial rain to tackle the rising air pollution levels in Delhi. Haryana's Bhavana